that is a table. Ah, yeah. This is the dining room table for my outdoor kitchen. Oh, good stuff. It's a little bit unusual construction. If we get under here, you can see there's just kind of a, grid of pipes up there. Attached pretty simply. There's no rivet in the top of this. It's just stuffed in so that the steel across the top is tight, and then this is tight, and that's just kind of jammed in there. So everything's nice and snug. And I got 4 cross pieces going that way. And I hammered the edge of the table here down around this pipe, so it would make a nice curved edge. It would also keep the rivets off the top, so the top has a nice flat surface. I'm gonna have to shave off that rivet over there a little bit. And then the legs, I took one piece and I just kind of folded it and then made it into an X, put a bolt through the middle. I had to make sure the measurements were right and everything. And then these just have one rivet here and one on the other side, and other than that, it's just kind of stuffed in there nice and tight. And then one reinforcement piece going up like that, and yeah, it's pretty sturdy. And then the same thing at the other end, of course. Now, I don't think people should get on this table and dance, but totally strong enough to have dinner on and stuff. I mean, I could stand on that, no problem. I just wouldn't want to dance around on it. Ooh, can I carry this up by myself? Yeah, I can carry it up by myself. I think I still have time. I started building this morning, and I was hoping to get it done today. It's totally done today. And I think I actually have time to take it up to the kitchen. It's just kind of big. I can do it, I can do it. All right. It's taller than it is wide, so I should just take it straight up. Stuff in the way. Yeah, I've not tried to open this door in a while. Yeah, I hear ants. Alright. Oh, before the mosquitoes come in. Ooh, I think I can get under. Oh, this thing is surprisingly heavy. I mean, I know it's all steel. Cool. Oh man, this kitchen is looking great. Oh, that is some good stuff right there. Yeah. Just ignore the buckets and stuff. They're not part of the kitchen. Yeah, that is beautiful. I'm gonna figure out what kind of seating we're gonna have on this here dining room table. Man, we're not even gonna need plates. We can eat right off the table. Actually, that's what we do. Whenever we have pizza, we always eat right off the counter. So that was one of the reasons I wanted a nice, easy to clean surface. We can just eat pizzas right off the counter here. We can just slap sandwiches out, or I don't know, whatever food we're eating. Could just put a big blob of spaghetti. Okay, maybe not spaghetti or soup. Oh, this is great. All right, I gotta get a stove up here and some screens to keep bugs out when it's, oh, my daughter made this path the other day. Just from all these leftover, these are stones, well, I call them stones, that are just leftover concrete from things. And I always make them into you know, I always make these whenever I have leftover concrete. Whenever I just use a few pieces of wood to, you know, make a little mold. Anyway, what's the question? Yeah, what am I going to use for seats here? I don't know yet. I'll come up with something. I also wanted to have a big flat surface for, you know, drawing and stuff like that. The other day my son was like, "Oh, Jaimie," because he calls me Jaimie, "I need a big flat surface so I can draw a map on this huge piece of paper." Ah. Oh, this is good. Yeah, nice and strong. Yeah, oh, this is a good table. Nice. So I have the house here, and then this nice kitchen right here, and then this whole area out here will be grassed with golf course grass, and all, you know, all the building materials won't be there forever. And then I'll finish this retaining wall over here that goes all the way around, and then it, you know, comes up, steps back, and then has a second layer that goes all the way around. And then I'll cut out all those weeds and stuff up there, and, you know, kind of clear out the view so you have a nice view. This is going to be one awesome spot. And I can even see my lumber mill, which makes me happy.